Eat these 6 foods every day for stronger kidneys, even at 90. Have you ever wondered why some people are still running, laughing, and living fully at 90, while others struggle with their kidneys and energy far earlier? What if I told you that the secret isn't a magic pill, surgery, or expensive treatment? It's something you can eat every single day. And the best part? The foods I'm about to share in this video are fact-checked by health researchers and backed by real science, so you know this isn't just another internet trend. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal 6 powerful foods that quietly support kidney strength, help your body manage waste, and even improve circulation, all without harsh supplements or complicated routines. Some of them may surprise you, and others might be hiding in your kitchen right now. And if you stick around until the end, I'll share one unusual tip that researchers say can supercharge kidney function even further. A little-known strategy that most people completely overlook, but could make a noticeable difference in your daily energy and overall health. Number 1. Dandelion greens. Now, I know what you might be thinking when you hear dandelion greens. You might picture weeds in a yard and wonder, how can that possibly help my kidneys? But stay with me for a moment, because this humble green is one of those quietly powerful foods most people overlook, and that's exactly why it's special. Dandelion greens have been used for generations in traditional diets, long before supplements and fancy health trends existed. What makes them stand out for kidney support is how naturally gentle yet effective they are. They help your body maintain a healthy balance of fluids, which is something your kidneys work hard to do every single day. When your kidneys feel supported instead of overworked, everything else tends to function more smoothly. One thing I really love about dandelion greens is how they support the body's natural cleansing processes without being harsh. This isn't about forcing anything or stressing your system. It's about giving your kidneys nutrients that help them do what they were designed to do, quietly, consistently, and efficiently. That's especially important as we get older, when the body responds better to nourishment than extremes. They're also packed with natural compounds that support circulation and overall metabolic balance. And when circulation is better, your kidneys receive oxygen and nutrients more easily. Think of it like improving the quality of the road that delivers support to your organs. Better roads mean smoother delivery. Another bonus: dandelion greens are incredibly versatile. You don't need to make dramatic changes to enjoy them. You can lightly sauté them with a bit of olive oil, add them to soups, or mix small amounts into other leafy greens. Even a little consistency goes a long way. This is one of those foods where regular, simple use matters more than large portions. And here's the encouraging part I want you to remember. Supporting your kidneys isn't about age, it's about habits. Whether you're 50, 70, or well into your 90s, your body still responds to care. Choosing foods like dandelion greens is a quiet vote for strength, resilience, and long-term wellness. Small choices, repeated daily, can make a meaningful difference over time. Number 2. Okra. Let's talk about okra for a moment, because this is one of those foods people often underestimate. Some love it, some avoid it because of the texture, but when it comes to quietly supporting your kidneys, okra deserves real respect. If you've ever been told that simple, traditional foods are sometimes the most powerful, okra is a perfect example of that idea. What makes okra special is its natural gel-like fiber. That texture isn't a flaw, it's actually a strength. This type of fiber helps support healthy digestion, and when digestion is working smoothly, your kidneys don't have to deal with unnecessary waste buildup. Everything in the body is connected, and easing the burden on one system often helps another function better. Okra also supports balanced blood sugar levels, which is extremely important for kidney health, especially as we age. When blood sugar stays more stable, the kidneys experience less stress over time. This isn't about quick fixes or dramatic changes. It's about steady support, day after day, in a way your body can handle comfortably. Another reason okra stands out is how gentle it is. It doesn't overwhelm the body, and it fits easily into everyday meals. You can steam it, lightly sauté it, add it to soups, or cook it in traditional dishes you already enjoy. There's no need to force anything new or complicated. Familiar foods often work best because they're easier to stick with. Okra also provides valuable plant nutrients that support circulation and overall organ function. Better circulation means your kidneys receive the nourishment they need to keep doing their job efficiently. Think of it as giving your kidneys better support from the inside, without pressure or strain. And here's something important to remember. Taking care of your kidneys doesn't require perfection. It requires consistency. Adding a food like okra to your routine is a practical, realistic step, especially for seniors who want strength, stability, and independence for as long as possible. If you've eaten okra your whole life, this is your reminder not to abandon it. And if you've avoided it before, this might be the moment to give it another look, not as a trend, but as a trusted, nourishing ally for your body. Small, thoughtful food choices like this can quietly support your kidneys and help you feel more confident about your health over time. Number 3. Chia seeds. Now let's talk about chia seeds, because this tiny food often gets overlooked simply because it's so small. But don't let the size fool you. Chia seeds are one of those quiet helpers that work in the background, supporting your body in ways you may not immediately feel, but your kidneys definitely notice over time. What makes chia seeds especially helpful is how they interact with fluids in your body. When you soak them or add them to meals, they absorb liquid and form a soft gel. This slows digestion in a gentle way, helping your body process nutrients more evenly instead of all at once. When things move more smoothly through your system, your kidneys don't get overwhelmed trying to filter excess waste. Chia seeds also support steady energy and balance. They help avoid sharp ups and downs in the body, which is important because sudden imbalances can put extra strain on your organs. As we get older, the body prefers calm and consistency, and chia seeds fit perfectly into that rhythm. Another benefit is how easy they are to use. You don't need to cook them or make complicated recipes. You can sprinkle a small amount into oatmeal, yogurt, soups, or even mix them into water and let them soften. Just a little, used regularly, can be enough. This is not about large portions, it's about daily support. Chia seeds also help with hydration in a very natural way. Because they hold on to fluid, they help your body use water more efficiently. And proper hydration is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to support kidney function. Think of chia seeds as helping your body make better use of every sip of water you drink. What I really like about chia seeds is that they encourage patience. They remind us that health isn't built overnight. It's built through small, steady habits that quietly add up. When you choose foods like chia seeds, you're choosing long-term support instead of short-term excitement. And here's something encouraging to keep in mind. It's never too late to support your kidneys better. Whether you're just starting to think about kidney health or you've been mindful for years, adding chia seeds is a simple, realistic step. Tiny seeds, yes, but powerful allies when used with consistency and care. Number 4. Garlic. Let's slow down and talk about garlic, because this is one food almost everyone recognizes, yet very few people truly appreciate for kidney support. Garlic isn't just something you add for flavor. It's one of those everyday ingredients that quietly works behind the scenes, especially as the body gets older. What makes garlic special is how it supports circulation. Your kidneys rely heavily on healthy blood flow to do their job properly. When circulation is smooth and steady, your kidneys can filter more efficiently without feeling strained. Garlic naturally supports this process, helping the body maintain balance instead of pushing it too hard. Another powerful aspect of garlic is how it supports the body's natural defense system. Over time, inflammation and stress can make it harder for organs to function at their best. Garlic helps calm that internal environment. Think of it as creating a more peaceful workspace for your kidneys, less noise, less pressure, and more efficiency. Garlic also helps reduce unnecessary buildup in the body. When waste and excess compounds are managed better, your kidneys don't have to work overtime. This is especially important for seniors, because the goal isn't to force the kidneys, it's to support them gently so they can keep doing their job consistently. What I really appreciate about garlic is how accessible it is. You don't need special supplements or expensive products. A clove or two added to meals you already enjoy can make a difference over time. You can cook it lightly, roast it, or mix it into soups and vegetables. And if strong flavors bother you, using smaller amounts still counts. Consistency matters more than intensity. Garlic also fits beautifully into traditional cooking, which makes it easier to stick with long term. When something feels familiar, it becomes a habit, and habits are what truly support health as the years go by. This isn't about perfection or strict rules. It's about choosing foods that quietly support your body day after day. And here's something important I want you to remember. Taking care of your kidneys doesn't require giving up joy in food. Garlic actually enhances meals while supporting your health at the same time. That's a rare combination. So every time you reach for garlic, think of it as more than seasoning. It's a small, steady act of care, one that supports strength, balance, and confidence in your body, no matter your age. Number 5. Egg whites. Now let's talk about egg whites, because this is one of those simple, everyday foods that often gets overlooked, but it's quietly powerful for kidney health. When most people think of eggs, they usually think about the whole egg, yolk included, but egg whites are unique. They're almost pure protein, very low in phosphorus, and that makes them one of the best protein sources for keeping your kidneys strong, especially as we get older. The key here is quality protein that doesn't overload your kidneys. Many protein sources, like red meat or full-fat dairy, can be heavy on the kidneys, forcing them to work harder to filter out excess waste. Egg whites provide clean, easy-to-digest protein that nourishes your muscles, supports your body's energy, and gives your kidneys less strain to handle. That combination is rare, and it makes egg whites a truly senior-friendly choice. Another reason egg whites are excellent is their versatility. You can enjoy them in so many ways without feeling like you're forcing yourself into a special diet. Scrambled, boiled, or added to soups and salads, they're easy to include in meals throughout the day. The more you make them a natural part of your routine, the more consistent support your kidneys get over time. Consistency is the real secret here, not large amounts eaten sporadically. Egg whites also support overall metabolic balance. When your body gets high-quality protein without excess minerals like phosphorus and potassium, it can maintain balance more easily. Healthy balance reduces stress on your kidneys and helps them keep functioning efficiently. This is especially important for seniors because the body's natural filtering ability slowly declines with age, and foods like egg whites help maintain stability. What I love about egg whites is how practical they are. You don't need fancy recipes, supplements, or expensive products. They're affordable, accessible, and simple to prepare. Choosing them regularly is a small, easy step that pays off quietly over time. So, when you think about supporting your kidneys, remember that it doesn't always require exotic or complicated foods. Egg whites are a humble, dependable choice that provides real nutrition, gentle support, and a way to care for your body every single day. It's a simple habit, but one that can make a meaningful difference for long-term kidney health. Number 6. Olive oil. Now let's talk about olive oil, because this is one of those foods that feels simple but actually carries a lot of benefits, especially for your kidneys. Most people think of olive oil just as a cooking ingredient or salad dressing, but it's so much more than that. It's a natural, gentle way to support your body's organs, and the kidneys happen to respond very well to it. One of the key reasons olive oil is so helpful is its healthy fat content. These are monounsaturated fats, which are easy on the body and don't create unnecessary stress for your kidneys. When your kidneys have to filter out less strain from unhealthy fats, they can focus on doing their job efficiently. Think of it like giving them a smooth, quiet environment instead of forcing them to work through clutter and extra waste. Olive oil also has natural anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is something that quietly builds up in the body over time, especially as we age, and it can affect organs like the kidneys. Using olive oil regularly in your diet helps calm that internal environment, supporting your kidneys' long-term health. It's not about dramatic effects overnight. It's about steady, gentle support that adds up over weeks and months. Another great thing about olive oil is how versatile it is. You can drizzle it on vegetables, mix it into salads, sauté your favorite greens, or even add a small spoon to cooked grains. The key is regular, consistent use. You don't need to overdo it. Just including it in daily meals gives your body a little boost, every day, quietly helping your kidneys. Olive oil also helps with circulation. Better circulation means your kidneys receive oxygen and nutrients more effectively, which is essential for keeping them strong. It's like improving the roads that deliver everything your kidneys need. They work better when the flow is smooth. And here's the encouraging part. Olive oil is easy to integrate, affordable, and enjoyable. You don't need complicated routines or strict diets to benefit from it. Just choosing this simple natural food regularly is an act of care for your kidneys, supporting strength, balance, and overall well-being as you age. Small, consistent choices like olive oil make a big difference over time, and the beauty is that it tastes great while doing it. It's one of those foods where everyday use quietly builds resilience and keeps your kidneys functioning at their best. Summary: so today, we explored 6 powerful foods: dandelion greens, okra, chia seeds, garlic, egg whites, and olive oil, that can quietly strengthen your kidneys, support circulation, and help your body stay balanced, even as we age. Each one of these foods works naturally, gently supporting your kidneys without putting unnecessary stress on your system. Remember, it's not about drastic changes or quick fixes. It's about consistent, everyday habits that add up over time. Even small, thoughtful choices, like including 1 or 2 of these foods in your daily meals, can make a meaningful difference for your kidney health and overall well-being. Your kidneys are resilient, and with the right support, they can stay strong for decades. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips that help you take care of your health naturally. I'd love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments which of these 6 foods you're excited to try first, or if you already use any of them in your daily routine. And remember, for that one extra tip that can supercharge your kidney health, check out the link in the description to my other video. You won't want to miss it. Take care of your body, nurture your kidneys, and keep thriving every day.